Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar XF. So we go to settings here, the two cogs, click on settings. You've got home settings, all settings, audio settings. We go to all settings. Connectivity, Bluetooth. And you've got pair new device, paired devices. We want paired devices, or you can forget all devices. Just do this one. Oh, there's a car behind. Paired device, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, disconnect, forget device. That's it, gone. So all that's possible through Bluetooth, through your phone, so long as you've got Apple CarPlay wired through that adapter. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.